This is the 2022 Thor Telaro 20A. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to use the microwave, refrigerator, outdoor hose, and other miscellaneous functions of this amazing camper. The refrigerator door opens by pressing on the black tab to release the locking mechanism and pulling the door open. Be sure the refrigerator is turned on by twisting the control button clockwise to 1 or 2. Close the door and ensure it is locked. The microwave will work on shore power, or with a generator only. You'll know it's ready to use when the clock illuminates. There is a sprayer hose for outside use included with the camper. The port is located behind the driver's side back door, along with a water pump on-off switch. Before you connect the hose, notice the release ring. You'll need to locate this to disconnect the hose. Attach the hose with the quick connect by inserting the hose into the port and pushing hard enough to hear the click that indicates the connection is complete and sealed. Turn the water pump on at the switch, then the hose is ready to use. When you're ready to put the hose away, be sure the water pump is turned off, then press the release ring in while pulling the hose out. Wipe up any water that may have spilled or leaked on the interior of the van, especially along the cabinet or floor. Drain the hose by holding the sprayer end up high and let gravity do the work. Twist or shake the hose to help the water drain. Store the hose in the door. To learn how to use the stove, watch the propane video next. To learn how to set up the camper once you're parked, watch the cabin setup video next. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos on how to use the Thor Telaro. Thanks for keeping it here at Mystic Wayfinders, where you can find your way when away from home.